2018 Ford Fusion vs 2018 Nissan Altima, head-to-head. The Ford Fusion and Nissan Altima are popular mid-size sedans that compete against the Toyota Camry, Honda Accord, and Hyundai Sonata, among others. With the Accord, Camry, and Sonata either new or significantly refreshed for 2018, the Fusion and Altima are aging models competing against the newest technological innovations and designs. For 2018, the Fusion has not received any major changes. The Nissan Altima has gotten standard predictive forward collision warning and automatic forward emergency braking. The Altima is now available with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The Altima's trim levels have also been reshuffled. This slideshow will help you determine whether the 2018 Ford Fusion or 2018 Nissan Altima is the better car overall based on U.S. news scoring and individual categories. You may notice slight score variations in these categories versus U.S. news reviews. Each category's score is constantly updated as new expert reviews and data become available. The 2018 Ford Fusion is about $1,000 cheaper than the 2018 Nissan Altima, which starts at $23,140. Pricing for each model goes up gradually through a number of grades. The top Platinum Fusion trim costs about $3,000 more than the top-of-the-line Altima 3.5 SL, which is $33,510. Neither the 2018 Ford Fusion nor the 2018 Nissan Altima has been rated for reliability by J.D. Power. However, because neither vehicle has been completely redesigned, we can compare the 2017 scores. The 2017 Fusion earned a 3.5 out of 5, and the 2017 Altima earned a 4 out of 5. Both vehicles come back by a 3-year/36,000-mile basic warranty and a 5-year/60,000-mile powertrain warranty. Nissan's zero-gravity front seats are some of the best in the class. In the 2018 Nissan Altima, they offer ample space, support, and comfort, even on long trips. The Altima's rear seat is spacious and provides enough space for adults. The Ford Fusion has comfortable and spacious seating in both rows. However, some might find the leather seats and the higher trims to be a bit stiff. The 2018 Ford Fusion has 16 cubic feet of cargo space, an average amount for the class. A 60/40 split folding rear seat is standard. The Fusion's trunk has a wide opening and a low-load floor. With 15.4 cubic feet, the 2018 Nissan Altima doesn't have as much cargo space as the Fusion. The trunk's wide opening and low-load floor are A+. Inside the cabin, there is plenty of small item storage. The 2018 Nissan Altima offers boring yet acceptable interior design elements and materials. It is dated compared to other vehicles in the class. However, the Altima does offer a long list of standard features. It comes with a 5-inch infotainment display, Bluetooth, a USB port, Siri eyes-free, hands-free text messaging, 6 speakers, a proximity key, push-button start, and a rear-view camera. The Altima is hurt by its inconvenient and outdated infotainment system. Many control knobs are located in awkward spots, and the touchscreen is mounted a bit low. The 2018 Ford Fusion features upscale design elements and has a cabin filled with high-quality materials, especially in high trim levels. In lower grades, there are hard plastics. The Fusion's modern and easy-to-use features help it win this category. The Fusion comes with push-button start, Ford My Key, a rear-view camera, a 4-speaker stereo system, and a voice-activated sync interface. Its infotainment system is intuitive and straightforward. The 2018 Ford Fusion comes with 3 engine choices that provide more thrilling performance in their respective grades than the 2018 Nissan Altima's engines. However, both models have boring base trim offerings. In the Fusion, a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder power plant that produces 175 horsepower is standard. Optional power plants include a turbocharged EcoBoost 1.5-liter 4-cylinder engine that achieves 181 horsepower, a turbocharged 245 horsepower EcoBoost 2.0-liter 4-cylinder, and a twin-turbocharged 2.7-liter EcoBoost V6 that yields 325 horsepower. The Altima's 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine produces an underwhelming 179 horsepower. A more engaging 3.5-liter V6 is available. It achieves 270 horsepower. The 2018 Nissan Altima has been given a 5-star overall rating designation by the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, NHTSA. Though the 2018 Ford Fusion has earned the same accolade, it didn't perform as well as the Altima in the frontal crash individual test. Both the Fusion and Altima received all good ratings in Insurance Institute for Highway Safety (IIHS) testing. However, the Altima was also named a top safety pick due to its acceptable rating for headlight safety. The Fusion earned a poor rating for headlight safety. Both vehicles come standard with a rear-view camera. The Altima also comes with predictive forward collision warning and automatic forward emergency braking standard. Those same technologies are options in the Fusion. The 2018 Ford Fusion combines a well-appointed interior, strong engine choices, and better handling. The Altima offers excellent safety and reliability scores, comfortable seats, and good ride quality. It's priced slightly higher than the Fusion, but that may be a trade-off for higher safety and reliability scores. When it comes down to choosing between the Fusion and Altima, it comes down to what is important to you. It's also important to note that these cars only rank mid-pack in our mid-size cars ranking. The 2018 Toyota Camry offers more advanced safety technology standard. The Camry and the 2018 Honda Accord are more fun to drive than both the Fusion and the Altima, with the Accord yielding superior performance when compared to most every sedan on the market. The Hyundai Sonata has even more cargo space than the Fusion. To learn more about the Ford Fusion and Nissan Altima, check out the reviews. Then, see how they stack up to the competition by exploring our new car rankings. When it comes time to buy, use our best price program to get the best deal on your new car purchase.